So welders get free shit, don't they? Well, I got this bucket here for free. Nothing in life's for free. I traded it for some welding job on the firewood processor. But anyways, these buckets used to be like brand new, like 450, 500 bucks. Now, thanks to inflation and the war in Ukraine, now they're like $1,000 brand new. So I got this prime specimen of a bucket. Standard skid steer, quick attach, whatever. The step is a little bit busted. And then the guy who had it before me, he ran this without a cutting edge ever attached to it. Rounded it over a little bit. So a little crack right there. But all overall, a little bent right here too. But all overall, not too terrible of a bucket. So I figure, let's grind some of this off, clean it up, fix whatever needs to be fixed, and then we'll make a cutting edge for it and see how it works. So here we are. I think from the factory there would have been like just like a straight blade cutting edge on there, kind of like this guy here, looking like a snowplow cutting edge or something. And then I thought, well, if a straight cutting edge is good, a serrated one with teeth probably be even better. So I sat on the computer, I drew them up, and then I had them laser cut out. Look at that finish. Nice and sharp stuff here. So normally those cutting edges on those cheap run-of-the-mill buckets, they're just like a mild steel. You could use some 1018 flat stock or some A36 plate. And then because it's pretty soft, they got to make it 3/8 or maybe ½ inch thick. And then the bucket weighs more. And on a skid loader that lifts 7,000 pounds, not a problem. On a tractor that lifts like 1,800, it could be a problem. Every pound of cutting edge takes a pound of lifting capacity away. So you have a couple options there to like protect us from wear. And normally those cutting edges, you would make them out of like AR400 or AR500 or T1. So I picked AR500, 1/4 inch material thickness, drew it up, had it laser cut out, and now I'm going to try to install this here after I grind some of these sharp edges off, and we'll see how that works. So the idea here is this is a half 13 bolt, 1 inch long. This is a flange nut, half 13. And then you got a 1/4 inch piece here and roughly a 1/4 inch piece there. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna eventually weld around this bolt. I'm gonna leave the bolt in because the pattern on this edge and on that edge is absolutely identical. It's all laser cut. And then see, it's a nice and flush fit, so the threads are not damaged. So if the nuts wear, I can put new nuts on. The bolts eventually, after welding them in, maybe I'm gonna hard surface them too. And so there's your setup, all nice and flush. and let's go try it out, see how it works. If it works good, then that's how we're going to weld the nuts on, and then I'm going to unbolt it, fix that little crack here. Everything else should be good to go. Vincent, is this heavy?
Yeah.
Okay, so now you know why my camera is not so good. I'm trying to hold this guy and film this and drive and dig at the same time. But it looks like it's working really well, breaking up this hard ground really well. No, I pressed the button already. Just watch now. I mean, look at this. All the teeth, perfect shape, nothing is bent, even running it into the tree trunks accidentally, and all the stones and sticks that were in there, the plate, the AR500 plate is holding up real good, and it's not retaining too much dirt or anything. I mean, the results are just outstanding. I couldn't believe how nice this all worked out. So, see you next time.